Now, I'd like you to describe a time when you saw a child behave badly in public. You should say where it was, what the child was doing, how others reacted, and explain how you felt about it.
I'd like to recount an incident I witnessed a few months ago while I was browsing in a fairly upscale department store. It was a typical weekend afternoon and the place was quite crowded. I noticed a young boy, probably about 5 or 6 years old, who was having a full-blown temper tantrum in the middle of the toy aisle. He was screaming at the top of his lungs and even rolling on the floor because his mother had refused to buy him an expensive gaming console. It was quite a commotion, as he started knocking some smaller items off the shelves in his fit of rage. The reactions from the bystanders were quite diverse. Some people were casting disapproving glances at the mother, seemingly blaming her for a lack of discipline, while others looked genuinely sympathetic, recognizing how difficult it can be to manage a stubborn child in a high-pressure environment. The mother herself looked absolutely mortified and was desperately trying to calm him down without making the scene even worse. As for my feelings, I felt a mix of annoyance and pity. Initially, the noise was incredibly grating, but then I felt sorry for the parent who was clearly at her wit's end. It made me reflect on the challenges of modern parenting and the importance of setting firm boundaries before reaching a boiling point in public spaces. It was definitely a situation that tested everyone's patience that day.
That was a very vivid description. Using phrases like full-blown temper tantrum and at her wit's end is excellent for a band 9.0 score. Well done.
Thank you. For more advanced IELTS tips, make sure to follow MS Easy IELTS 8.8.